lecture number 2nd. In the last lecture, we are seeing the definition of the milk and the constituent of the milk and the composition of the milk. Now today, the factors that should be responsible for the composition of the milk. At the last chapter, we are seeing the composition of the various species that should be differ from each other, that is the water percentage, fat percentage, as well as protein percentage, lactose percentage, and the various factors that should be responsible for this particular composition of the milk. Now, which are these factors? The first one is the species of the animals. Various species having milk that should be differ from the composition of the milk. The first factor, that is the species. For example, we are seeing only two species, that is the buffalo milk as well as cow milk. At last lecture we are seeing the difference. Now the buffalo milk, the water percentage may be 84%, and in the cow milk the water percentage may be 86%. That is the differ from different type of the species. The fat percentage in the buffalo milk may be 6.6%, while in the cow milk it should be 4.9%. The protein percentage in the buffalo milk may be 3.9%, and in the cow milk it should be 3.5%. Means the first factor that should be responsible, that is the species, particular species may be responsible for the composition of the milk. Example, cow milk, buffalo milk, sheep milk, goat milk, etc. Now the second factors, that is the breed. In the particular, for example, in the cow, the various breeds are observed, that is the Sindhi cow as well as Jersey cow. These are the various type of the breeds that should be observed, and these breeds also responsible for the composition of the milk. For example, the Sindhi cow milk, the water percentage may be 86%, while in the Jersey cow milk the water percentage may be 85%. The species may be same, but breeds are the difference, that is the Sindhi cow as well as Jersey cow. The milk of this particular various type of the breeds also variable in the composition. For example, we are saying that is the water percentage in this Sindhi cow may be 86%, while in the Jersey cow the water percentage may be 85%. Total solid percentage in the Sindhi cow may be 30.93%, near about 14%, and the Jersey cow it should be near about the 15%. And the fat percentage in the Sindhi cow 4.90%, and in the Jersey cow the fat percentage may be 5.37%. Maybe it should be different. Species may be same, but breeds may be differ, and the milk that should be differ from the composition, water percentage, total solid percentage, fat percentage, as well as protein percentage. These are the second factors that should be responsible for the composition of the milk. Now the third one is individuality. particular species of the, for example, buffalo, example cow, these are the particular individuality having, it should be depending upon the composition of the milk. Particularly one of the example of these buffaloes as well as cows are differ from the other cows as well as buffaloes, means it should be individuality. The fourth factor, that is the interval of the milking interval, that is morning as well as evening, particularly 2 times interval may be followed into this, that is the interval. Morning 12 hours, evening that should be 6 hours, and this interval also depending upon the composition of the milk. In general, longer the milking interval is associated with the higher milk production, but the fat percentage may be lower. For example, the milking time is morning and evening. The production of the milk may be more, and the time of interval may be 12 hours. Into the particular morning or evening, the yield may be more